Okay, so we're going to find out what's inside this box. So that's the DJI Osmo Mobile. Okay, so just wow. So we have this. It's in a package. Okay, so let's see more what's inside the box. Okay, that's it. And there's another box here. This is just the desiccant silica. Okay, nothing. Yeah, okay. So we have a box here. Let's see first what's inside. Okay, so we have this manuals. Okay. And we have more of this. What's this for? Okay, it looks like there's a case. There's a case. We have this one. Wow, that was cool. It was a bag. Yeah. Okay. And we got this one. Strap holder. And something fell down on the floor. Yes, it's the regular. Okay, you have this USB to C type cable. Keep it aside and we'll try to focus on this one. What's inside is a plastic bag. Wow. Yeah. So this is it. This is the gimbal. So personally, I still don't know how to use this. So we just received it this afternoon, and now we just unbox it. Okay. So interesting. Okay, so we have all these controls. There's one big like this is a rocker dial. We have another one here. I'm not sure what's this. It's push button. This maybe this is, oh wow, just press it and okay. The lid turns on, but maybe this is not fully charged. Oh, I see. I can see this is a sign for the power. that's the excitement about not knowing anything about this stuff, because everything seems to be all surprises. Now how can I unfold this? Let me see. These are all in different language, so I might as well try to look at the English version of this. Is there no quick note for how to spread this out? Interesting. So this is how it looks like. Now we have there's a thread in here where we can attach the small tripod, because this one is supposed to stand on its own like this. So actually I have a separate package on that I already bought. That's the tripod for this one. So we have this. This was I bought this separately. So I'm going to same thing. Okay, CDU, Barksdale Professional, Newark, USA. Okay, so this is how it looks like with CDU. Now we have this one. So I believe you can spread out like this. Wow, this is pretty much, it's not plastic, it's some sort of aluminum. Spread out like that. Yeah, this is pretty much sturdy. It's not plastic, it's yeah, you can see there's, yeah, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, this one, see, looks like it was wrapped with some kind of tin container. It's very robust. So if it's going to do like that, now I can hold it like this. So pretty much I was able to, it's like it will also serve as an extension if you are not going to use the tripod. So if I'm going to open the tripod, it will sit like that. Nice. Nice. Okay, going back to this DJI gimbal, the feel is it looks like it's really good. It's not cheap plastic. It's kind of nice, nice plastic. It's not ordinary plastic. It's pretty smooth. Okay, so we have here three. This one is so it's the power, and I'm not sure what it does it mean by aim, but maybe there's a second function for this one bottom aside from being in the power. And we have this red one. Maybe it's, oh, maybe this is going to take some, going to control the, like it's like a camera symbol. Well, anyway, I'm just speculating right now because I haven't read the manual yet. And we have this T and W. It's kind of, you move it like this. It was spring loaded. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm going to read the manual and try to fire this on and see what it's going to do.